Hey friends, how you doing? And welcome back to another video in this channel. So this past weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we went to work at 7 Mile Fair. So we take some of our orders and we take them to 7 Mile Fair for some of our customers to come by and pick them up there. So while at 7 Mile Fair, I came up with the idea of recording a mini preview of what we will be able to see in tomorrow's video. So tomorrow I will be uploading a brand new video about 7 Mile Fair. So I will be giving a mini tour, as well as I will be sharing with you guys what people sell, what we might be able to buy, what I sell, and all the things that we can see and find at 7 Mile Fair. So I really hope that you won't miss that video either. But in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys or give you guys a mini preview of my store, as well as share with you guys Crystal's store. So Crystal is one of my friends and she has a toy stand and a toy store. So I want to share with you guys what she sells and all the things that you will be able to find at her store. So I really hope that you like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following projects. And now let's go on to the video. Friends, first off, I would like to share our friend's YouTube channel. His name is Jose and his channel is called AI Consequence. And all of his channel is about gaming and video games, so here is a sneak peek of his channel in case you'd like to visit it, watch his videos, and subscribe. In the description, I will also be leaving a link to his channel. And 2 weeks ago, it was Jose's birthday, and I would like to share with you guys how we celebrated.
How old are you, Jose?
10.
And today's your birthday, right?
Yeah.
My little brother Jay gave him a cameo blanket, and I gave him a video game gift card.
But that was for Christmas. You want to come to our house?
To you. Ay, José. Mira. Hey. Poquito, una.
You neither.
Aunque si no, yo voy para acá, aunque sea una cookie. Agarra una cookie y muérdele.
And look friends, here are the keychains we made in the previous video. I believe it is titled A Week With Me at Work, and it is also available in this channel. So I will be leaving a link to that video in the description in case you'd like to watch that video as well. So here are the keychains. For example, there are some black and white ones and other ones with blue and gold. Next, we have this container with some headbands. They are $1 each, and we also have some scrunchies in packs of 3. Each pack is $1. Let's continue with this other container with super cute kawaii stickers. For example, this cloud and this cotton candy. In this same container, we have some stationery items like these paper clips with bows and these other ones with glittery pom-poms. Here's another container with mini notebooks. They are only $1 each or 2 for $1. We also have these flower headbands and some mugs with letters or initials. And these other mugs, we have these super cute and glittery unicorn headbands, and this way they're easy to see and accessible. We also have some pens like these pink flowery ones, and we also have these Valentine's Day pens. They are shaped like cookies, and we also have some pencils in packs of 3. Each pack is $1. We also have these keychains specially for Valentine's Day. For example, these cookie ones. There's other ones with hearts, like there's a pink and there's a beige one. Following, we have this red heartbeat keychain, and next we have this super cute red lips keychain with some white highlights. These other keychains are my favorite. They're also bracelets, so they're heart-shaped and there's some in red and only one left in pink. Right next, we have these mini shopping baskets where you can put candy, makeup, stationery items, or anything you'd like as long as it fits. And all of these products, like the customized mugs with names, quotes, pictures, or letters, as well as the customized shirts, the bags, and the Valentine's Day pens, all of these products were made in our store. Also, at 7 Mile Fair, we offer the service of customizing the products at the moment. So we can add a name, a quote, or a picture to a mug, a shirt, a hoodie, or a beanie. And we also make customized decals or signs, for example, some stickers to stick on the flat surface like a vehicle, a laptop, a water bottle, a notebook, or any surface you'd like. If you guys remember, in the previous video titled A Week With Me at Work, we designed these bags at our store, which are specifically for snow clothing, and this is how they turned out in the end.
Para la ropa de nieve, or for the snow clothing. And so you're talking to know someone is.
So I think it's all set. We have some blue ones, and then we also have some black ones. So whichever they prefer. And yeah, I think they turned out pretty cute. Here is a mini tour of Crystal's toy stand. Crystal is actually Jose's sister, and she has tons of cute toys. For example, these puppet keychains, these Demon Slayer plushies like Tanjiro and Inosuke. She also has some pom-pom keychains, some colorful jewelry, some purses, and some toy kits, for example, some clinic and some construction ones. Crystal also has these huge containers with slime, some mini frog containers with more slime, some stress balls, and the majority of the toys in this section are stress reliever toys. For example, these puppet stress balls, so you pop these, and when you press onto the stress ball, these pop back out. She also has this flying poop emoji, so it's sort of a helicopter. On this side, she has some toy guns and these cute purses to put your phone, money, or things that you take with you when you go out. She also has these puppet purses, such as this Hello Kitty one, some shaped like popsicles, and some unicorn ones as well. On the bottom, she has this box with tons of swords, for example, this one that's combined with poppets. So you press the small balls and then press them from behind. So in addition to playing sword games, you can also relieve your stress with these. On the center table, she has some stress animals, so you press them and then their shape changes. Next, we have these Coke bottles filled with bubble solution. She also has more glittery slime. At first I thought these were aliens, but they're actually cow containers. So this one, for example, has purple glittery slime, or this other one with pink glittery slime. In the middle, she has a pyramid with tons of slinkies. And the pretty thing about Crystal's toy store or stand is that the majority of her toys are out in exhibition, so this way you're able to touch them and choose a toy that you like the most. And here is a mini preview of the next week's drawing video. We will be drawing a super cute animal since I would like to share with you guys my friend's YouTube channel. And all her channel is about exotic animals, how to take care of them, and how these animals are important for our ecosystem. So I really hope that you won't miss this Tuesday's drawing video so I can share with you guys all of her information of how to find her on her social media as well as here on YouTube. So I really hope that you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following projects. Thank you so much for watching this video. And remember that tomorrow I will be uploading a brand new video about 7 Mile Fair, what we can see, what we might be able to find, what people sell, what we can buy, and a mini tour of the entire 7 Mile Fair. So I really hope that you won't miss that video either. Thank you so much for watching once again, and see you on the following project. Bye guys!
Vean a mi bebé.
Mira, para que vean a ti, para que te vean. Mira qué precioso estás. Qué precioso está ese bebé. Uy, ya te voy a bajar ya.